Disclaimer: this is an imaginary story. Please don't relate it with any idol or any person. It's nothing related to anyone's life. It's pure work of fiction. Any resemblance to actual persons, living or dead, or actual events is purely coincidental. Whatever pics are shown in this story, they all have been taken from Google and Pinterest. The credit for them goes to their real owner. Storyline and voice are mine, so please don't copy that. Arthur's point of view. Yunmin were married couple, but Jimin was scared of Yoongi because of his cold and scary aura. Because of that, they couldn't get closer to each other. Yoongi loved Jimin a lot. Jimin was only scared of Yoongi. He didn't hate him. Yoongi wanted to come closer to Jimin, but his scary aura always scared him. One day, Yoongi's twin brother, Suga, came, who was exactly looking like him. Jimin didn't scare of him because his personality was totally opposite of Yoongi's. Soon they both became best friends. Yoongi was jealous to see their closeness. Suga started loving Jimin and was ready to do anything to get him. First, he asked to Jimin, but after knowing his loyalty towards Yoongi, he asked to Yoongi, which made him mad. He beat him mercilessly, but Suga was a psycho. He wanted to get Jimin by anyhow. He tried so many ways to come closer to Jimin, but Yoongi was always ahead of Suga. At last, Suga tried to Jimin, but Yoongi saved him. Their rival mafia attacked on them. Yoongi and Suga again became a team and started fighting with the goons. While protecting Jimin, rival mafia shoot Suga by thinking him as Yoongi, but Yoongi took the bullet on himself. Jimin shoot rival mafia and rival mafia shoot Suga. Jimin was already injured, but he took Yoongi and Suga to the hospital, then passed out. Yoongi was fine, but Suga went in coma. After 3 months, he regained his consciousness. Dr. Hobie, who saved his life, was with him like a shadow. After Suga regained his consciousness, Jimin told them the truth. He was so shocked to know the truth that Jimin already knew who was Suga and who was Yoongi. Both Yunmin forgave Suga. Suga opened his heart and told them that whatever he did was just to get attention and love. Since the childhood he was so lonely, he found the ray of life in Jimin's. Yunmin were feeling bad for him. They assured him that they both loved him so much and will try to their best to make him move on and do the fresh start of their life. Link of the playlist of this story is in pinned comment. Watch it if you haven't watched it yet. Let's see what happens next. Right now, outside was raining and thundering. It was midnight. Yunmin were still sleeping in different rooms. Yoongi gave Jimin time as much as he wanted. Yoongi came to kitchen to drink water. He was on the call. Yoongi on call. No, it's raining. Don't send consignments now. Because of thunderstorm, it will be spoiled. I will call you, then send these consignments. Any other thing? If you have any other doubt, then ask to me now. Later, it can be network issue. He was talking on the call. Because of thunder's loud noise, Jimin woke up and went to Yoongi's room but couldn't find him there. While looking for him, he came to kitchen and found Yoongi was talking on the call. He went to him without making any noise and back hugged him. Yoongi didn't flinch. He knew it was Jimin. Jimin was hugging him tightly while closing his eyes. With every thunderstorm, he flinched hard and tightened his grip. Yoongi was Still on call, talking with his cold and scary voice, Jimin broke the hug by thinking it could be disturb Yoongi. He was about to go, but Yoongi stopped him by holding his hand and wrapped Jimin's hand on his chest and kissed on his back of the palm to indicate him that he didn't have any problem. Jimin understood the hint and again back hugged him tightly. Raindrops were on the kitchen window. It was the cold weather. Jimin wanted the warmth. He looked at Yoongi's snap, the part which joined head to shoulders. He wrapped his arms on Yoongi's chest and started moving all over his upper body. Yoongi didn't stop him. Jimin started unbuttoning his shirt's button and slid down it from his shoulders. He moved away and saw Yoongi's back full view. He saw the mark where he got bullet. He pressed his plumpy lips on it and started kissing it. As soon as Jimin's plumpy lips touched Yoongi's skin, he felt a spark. Just like lightning ran inside his body. He stopped for a few seconds and gulped hard, then again started talking. When Jimin wasn't stopped by Yoongi, his courage boosted. He attached his lips on Yoongi's neck and swelled his and started it slowly. Yoongi made a fist and closed his eyes to feel his every touch. Jimin was roaming his hand on Yoongi's bare abs. They were pressing, leaving no space between them. He kept and biting his back and making countless. Yoongi was trying his best to not make any noise as he was still on the call. He was holding the kitchen counter. Jimin was busy in making art. He wasn't leaving any stone unturned to making Yoongi weak. He backed away after realizing Yoongi was still on the call. He went to the window and opened it. He was feeling so. As soon as he opened the window, he was welcomed by a cold shower of raindrops. He closed his eyes and felt the every raindrop. It was all dark. Raindrops on Jimin's face were glowing him. He was smiling. He was placing his hands on the window frame and enjoying the rain shower. He was completely wet due to rainwater. Cold raindrops on his burning body was giving him another. His hairs were wet and water was dripping from them. His upper portion was already water was dripping from his chin to throat. His heartbeats were very fast. His heart was pounding. He was breathing from his mouth. Yoongi saw Jimin and gulped hard. Jimin's this sight made him so shocked. Just by seeing Jimin like this, he started sweating. In this much cold weather, he immediately cut the call and placed it on the counter. He was looking at Jimin without blinking his eyes. He was adoring Jimin with his pure love. There was no lust to make him his. Jimin was making him crazy. He felt so hard. He felt an invisible thread or divine energy was pulling him towards Jimin. He unknowingly started walking towards him. He had no control over himself. He went to Jimin and softly turned him to himself. Jimin opened his eyes and saw Yoongi, who was looking at him. His eyes were screaming and declaring his love for him. They both were looking into each other's eyes. It seems like they were drawn in them. Rain shower was falling very heavily. Yoongi became wet too. Yoongi already lost his senses. Yoongi's hands unknowingly held Jimin's face. He was removing the wet hairs stands from Jimin's face, which were covering Jimin's beautiful face. Yoongi's stare was making Jimin so shy. His cheeks were glowing like red tomato. They both were standing very close to each other. They can hear each other's loud heartbeats. Their breathings were uneven. Yoongi closed his eyes and leaned towards Jimin's plumpy lips, which were already parted away. Jimin quickly closed his eyes. Both of them can feel each other's breathing. Their nose rubbed. Jimin tightly hugged Yoongi. He was ready for the kiss. His lips were only few centimeters apart from each other. Their lips touched. But before Yoongi can Jimin, a loud thunder came him back in his senses. He opened his eyes and saw Jimin. He smiled and parted his cheek. Then went to kitchen counter and started drinking water. Jimin immediately went to Yoongi and back hugged him. Then said, Jimin, while back hugging him, what happened? Yoongi, sorry, I was carried away. That's why I came so close to you. I don't know how all this happened. I'm sorry for making you feel uncomfortable. It won't happen again. Jimin flipped himself and cupped his face. What if I want this mistake happen once again? Yoongi, while looking at Jimin, who was under his strong arms and leaning on the counter. What do you mean? Say clearly what you want. Jimin, while wrapping his arms around Yoongi's neck, first promise me you will give me what I want. Yoongi pulled him closer to himself by holding his waist. I never denied your any wish. Removed his hands from his face. Your wish is my command. Just tell me what you want. I will bring that for you. I will fulfill your all the desires as far as it within my limits. Jimin softly and whispered in his ear, I want you. I want to start our married life. I already made you wait for a long time, but now I can't wait for even a moment. Please remove the distance between us in this rainy and stormy night. I want you to love me the way no one has done to anyone till date and no one will do it in future. I want to become your companion in true manner. Tell me, will you fulfill my this wish? Will you give me your warmth and love? Will you make me your husband? Will you start our new journey? Will you give me the seed to plant a beautiful and strong tree in future? Will you make us complete? Jimin's each and every word was giving Yoongi inner peace and satisfaction. His every inch of body was happy to hear this. He was waiting for this day since they married. He couldn't express his happiness. A tear of happiness fell from his eye. He hugged him tightly and said, Yoongi, yes, I do. I was waiting for your acceptance. I will fulfill your every desire. I will love you like no one has done to anyone till now and in future too. Yes, we will start our new journey and from tomorrow and plant the seed tree of our future generation. I love you, Jimin. Jimin, I love you too, Yoongi. Now I can't wait more. Please make me yours. Jimin's confession left Yoongi speechless. He broke the hug and kissed on his forehead for assurance, then softly pulled his soft, rose petal-like lips, which was lower lip softly and gently. Jimin was following him and his upper lips. Yoongi's hands were on Jimin's tiny waist and Jimin's hands were in Yoongi's hairs. He was massaging his scalp. They were like there is no tomorrow. Yoongi was breaking time to time so Jimin can breathe properly. He didn't want to go harsh on him. He flipped Jimin on his back and removed his shirt and slid it from his shoulder blades. He placed his lips on Jimin's jawline and started it. Jimin melted like butter and a soft escaped from his lips. Yoongi was quick to hold his waist to stop him, support him. Yoongi was his neck and shoulders, and Jimin was mess. Yoongi slides his hand down and grabbed the band of his track pants and pulled it down. He removed it by his legs and turned Jimin to himself. Jimin placed his both hands on his chest. He was looking down and breathing heavily. Yoongi placed his index finger under his chin and made him look at himself and asked, Yoongi, are you ready? If you want, then we can stop here. Jimin, no, I'm ready. Please don't stop. Yoongi, okay, I won't, but stop me whenever you feel uncomfortable. We will stop there. He was pulling Jimin in. He again pulled Jimin in and picked him in his arms. Jimin wrapped his arms around his neck and his legs around his. Yoongi started walking towards his room without breaking the. Arthur, what? No, we aren't following them. I know, you want to see their romance, but that cat strictly told me to not make his baby shy. Otherwise, he will throw us outside in heavy rain. I don't want to do achoo, achoo. So, let's not disturb them. Time skipped after 3 years. Yoongi returned back from his work. He was pressing the doorbell from long time, but Jimin wasn't opening the door. So he opened the door by spare key and he came inside and started shouting Jimin's name, but Jimin didn't come out. He thought Jimin wasn't at home. He saw a parcel was placing near the staircase. He thought Jimin ordered something for himself. He went to it and about to pick it, but suddenly parcel opened and a little boy shouts, Boy, ah! Yoongi screamed and fell on the floor. Ah! Boy came out from the box and went to him. Ha 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 ha! Kitten got scared! Started laughing his lungs out. Yoongi, while placing his hands on his chest, Ah! Tea, you brat! Do you know how much scared I was? Tea, kitten is so scared! Started teasing him while jumping and dancing. Yoongi, you brat, stop teasing me! Spanked his little bum bum. Tea looked at him. You kitten there to spanky titty. Wait, now it's Titty's turn. Went towards him. Yoongi, hey, don't you dare to come closer to me. I am warning you, I am dangerous mafia king. T, if kitten is dangerous mafia king, then Titty is double, no, triple dangerous mafia king. Yoongi screamed, Ah, Jimin, save me from this monster, Jimin. T pushed him on the floor and climbed on his tummy. Nobody's here to save kitten from Titty. Today Titty will eat kitten. Showed his baby teeth. Yoongi started screaming his lungs out when T started tickling him and rubbing his face on his chest. T was having so much fun, whereas Yoongi was only screaming. Yoongi, you brat, leave me, otherwise I will throw you outside. T, kitten will throw Titty when Titty will leave kitten. Titty will eat kitten, nom 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 nom. Started biting his arm. Yoongi, leave me, you brat, I'm not your food. They both were bickering. Suddenly door opened and revealing Jimin, who was holding the bag. He looked at Tiggy and smiled. Jimin, oh, you both already started bickering. Yoongi looked at Jimin. Jimin, where did you go after leaving this wild bear here alone? Tea, kitten, Titishan bear, Titishan tiger. Ah, sure is deed. Minnie, did you bring Titish energy food? Jimin, sit on the stairs. Of course, I brought my Titi's energy food. Opened the bag and fed him strawberry. Tea, it's so tasty and sweet, but not more than Minnie. Minnie's the sweetest. Kissed on his cheek. Yoongi, hey, brat, don't touch my husband. Tea kissed Jimin twice. No, Minnie is only Titi's. Jimin, yeah, Minnie is only Titi's. Yoongi, you bear, why did you come here? I told you na, you aren't allowed in my house. Didn't your parents find any other place to leave you? Tea, this is Titi's house. Titi can come here at any time. Kitten can't stop Titi. Again sat on him and started tickling him. Yoongi, leave me. I don't like it. Happily ran inside. Wow! Did they play alone? Cuckoo play too. Joined with Tea and started tickling Yoongi. Yoongi, Boogie, baby, you are my son. How can you be on this brat side? Cuckoo always side Titi. Yoongi looked at Jimin. Jimin, are you sure this is our son? I think he got exchanged in hospital. He is 100% your son and Titi is mine. Who is now taking the revenge of mine from you, Hyang? Jimin looked at him and smiled. Sugar, what's this? You again brought these things? Sugar, Minnie, these are nothing. While holding more bags, someone help me. Jimin went to him. Hobie took the bag. What's this? You brought whole shopping mall? Hobie, it's nothing, just some gifts and sweets for my cookie. Yoongi looked at him. Hobie, your bratty son made my sweet son bratty too. Can't you give him an injection? Hobie smiled. Yoongi, Titi loves you so much. Yoongi, but I don't love Titi. Sugar, what are you looking? Pick your bratty son from me. Sugar, sorry Hyang, my son loves you more than us. He only has two desires. First is his strawberry and second is his kitten. Enjoy it, na? Yoongi, yeah, enjoy it. I'm helpless now. Once let me free, then I will show you who is Min Yoongi. Min Yoongi is Titi's kitten. They all started laughing by seeing Yoongi's condition. By staying with Suga and taking care of him, Hobie fell in love with him. He approached him. Suga asked for some time and told him everything about himself, including his psycho behavior. Too, after knowing Suga's past, Hobie didn't leave him. He helped him to move on. They went to psychiatrist together. Soon they started dating. After few days of dating, they married. Yunmin were very happy for Suga. Finally, he got Hobie, who was his true companion. Now he wasn't lonely. He found his hope and sunshine in Hobie. Hobie tried every possible way to help Sugar. Titi is Shob's 3-year-old son who was very naughty and troublemaker. His favorite hobby is to irritate Yoongi. He loved to cling to Yoongi because he knew Yoongi hated his kinship. Cookie is Yunmin's son who was 1.5 years old. He recently started talking. He wasn't bratty, but whenever Titi come, he became bratty too. Both the couples were staying in different house and time to time came to meet each other. They all were so happy in their life with their children. We can't go back and change our past, but we can accept the present and try to forget the past to make our future happy. It's hard to move on, but not impossible. After every heartbreak, a new journey is always waiting for us. We just need to identify and accept it. The end. Arthur's note. That's it for today. I hope you all liked it. The link of the playlist of this story is in pinned comment. Watch it if you haven't watched it yet. Finally, this story is completed. Although this story didn't perform well, but I am happy and fully satisfied from myself. I made this story just like I imagined after getting the idea of this story. I put so much effort in this story, but its lowest views disappointed and disheartened me. I don't know why people didn't like it. It was something new and fresh concept, but people only like the same storyline. They won't accept new things. Anyways, thank you so much whoever gave the precious time to watch and comment on this story. It really means a lot for me. We will meet soon with new story. Till then, take care of yourself. Love you all. If you like this story, then please do like, subscribe, share, and comment. I assure you that you will never gonna regret on your decision. Thanks for watching.